Frosty the Snowman was a giant snow. He was made of snow.
Thank you, thank you. Alrighty. Today, young chaps, I have my hot cocoa on this fine December day. Let me sip some. Crayola, as you can see.
Melted crayons.
Yeah. Have a little view. Alright, let's get into it. I have this wonderful Octohedron puzzle here. From FanXin. It appears to be a 3x3, and, well, I'm gonna see if I can solve it. And there we are. I mean, the second layer. My apologies, folks. Finished this second layer. Now for a sip of the hot cocoa.
No.
And voila! My Cuban contemporaries, my peerless peers.
My gooby
I
goobers.
have done it. Time for a cup of joe. Four minutes, 36 seconds. It is a 3x3. Specifically, it resembles an axis cube while solving. It even features a corner parity if your solution is an odd number. Other than that, this is a fantastic puzzle. It gives a nice challenge, but it's still simplistic. The link for this product is in the description. Do enjoy, and good day. Have fantastic snow. Goodbye.
Masterpiece.